Photo Freedom friends, it's Coach Sue. It's Sunday afternoon. Have a little time before we go watch football at our neighbors. Wanted to make a quick video inspired by Stacy's color bins. I just wanted to show like a little another idea inspired by Stacy's bins from, I don't even know, when I first encountered Stacy's bins and was like, oh my God, that's total genius. But I do mine a little differently. So let me see if I can, zoom out. There we go. Sorry if that was a little weird. So basically this is my scrap stuff, right? I'm really trying to keep all of my supplies to one 4x4 IKEA unit and then a 1x4 on top. Because this is pretty much what I got. So, which is fine. Good design constraints are good, right? So, but what I do is I don't organize completely by color. I organize by type of embellishments. So like I have little baskets for washies, twine frames, labels, paper tags, dots. These are like my favorite things. I want all the dots and all of the enamel things. Miscellaneous. I think this is crepe paper embellishments, right? So I just couldn't bring myself to dump all of that into a color bin. Plus I don't have room for a lot of different color bins. So here's my solution. So I have kind of, by type here and here. And then I have my everything else embellishments arranged thusly. So I have neutrals and metallics, so neutrals is white, black, gray, the brown family, craft, anything metal, metallic. Then I have red, pink, orange, and blue, green, purple. So let's just take these out and I will just show you. Let me zoom this out again. There we go. So these bins, I got it, I don't know, Crate and Barrel, like 100 years ago. Maybe not that long ago, but they don't have them anymore. I swear they change out their merchandise like every 4 months. So if you don't buy 100 of like what you need to organize, when you go back a couple months later, like they totally have different stuff. So that's slightly maddening. But anyway, be that as it may. So these are all my embellishments that are blue, green, and purple. So in this little bin, I have obviously small things. So this is everything. Tags, glitter, tags, chipboard, cardstock, super cute, right? So different types, buttons. So all the little stuff goes in here. And then the bigger basket, same thing, but it has all sorts of, it's mostly paper ephemera. I suppose it could be more like, this is rubber. This is rubber. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's like a cardstocky thing. So mostly paper, some acetate. So when I'm done with a kit, because paper scrapping, I kind of scrap by kit. Kind of. At least I start out that way. And so when I've kind of worked through the kit, I will just bust everything up and toss it in these bins. And they are getting kind of full. So I would love to have, on the one hand, love to have bigger bins and more room. On the other hand, then it would take forever to dump stuff out and go through it, which I actually like it, kind of sifting through as part of the process. I don't know. It's kind of fun to just go through and kind of see what you can dig up. So anyway, I just wanted to show a little different take on the color bins for someone who is really trying to be super diligent about her craft space size. And so I also organize my papers by color, also by type, collections. These are all kit collections, cardstock by color. So yeah. Anyway, have a great Sunday afternoon, everybody, and we'll see you soon.